Hi, I'm David with Phoenix Transmissions Parts. Today we're going to change some solenoids in a 460E transmission. This is GM's rear-wheel drive transmission. Part number on this solenoid is 77945, and it's an A and B solenoid. Okay, the solenoids are actually identical, but they're classified as A and B. It's a simple change. Here's the valve body. Okay, there's a little clip right here. You just take a pick and you want to pop this clip out. You kind of want to put your finger over it so it doesn't take off, because it becomes a Jesus clip at that point. So you just pop that clip out, you pop the solenoid out. There's the old one. You take the new one, you pop it in, you put the clip back in. It's a real simple change. There you have it. Phoenix Transmission Parts. Phone number 877-782-5582. We can supply all your transmission parts needs. Thank you.